Welcome back to our 7 days YouTube automation challenge. This is the day 3 of this very challenge, and we're going to be building and monetizing our YouTube channel and scaling it up for growth. Okay, we've already done the day 1 of this very challenge. We've done the day 2. So if you've not watched the previous video, go ahead and watch those previous videos. And this is the day 3. In this very day 3 of this challenge, we're going to be doing only 3 simple steps. The step 1, I'm going to be showing you the right YouTube tools that you can actually use for your keyword research, and these tools are 100% approved by YouTube. Alright, I'm also going to be showing you the right way to actually make this research and get the trending evergreen topic you can actually make videos about. And the step 2, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually pick the video topic, use our viral prompt to generate viral script for it. Okay, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually turn this script to an audio, and from audio, the step 3, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually turn this audio to video with our screen recording. So for you not to miss out, hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and also join us on our Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the video of the day. The first step, I'm going to be showing you the right YouTube tools that you can actually use for your keyword research and also to get videos idea you can actually create right now. Okay, the first tool is the YouTube search itself. Okay, all you need to do is simply come over to YouTube and click on the search button, and you can actually type in how to. Okay, so once you type in how to, you're gonna see there are some keywords right here that are popping up right here. Okay, so you're gonna see how to cook this, how to make this, how to make puff puff, how to make Thai, and lots more. Okay, but most of the times, most of the stuff right here are going to be highly competitive because most people have already made videos on this. Okay, so all you need to do is simply pick a particular word and allow the YouTube auto suggestion to actually suggest the keyword people are searching for. Right, for instance, I can actually decide to go with this particular keyword, type in OpenClaw right here. So if I type in OpenClaw, I'm gonna see OpenClaw install, Fireship, AI, free, VPS, trading, Hostinger, and lot more, and also use cases. Okay, I can actually go ahead and select either this or any of them. Okay, so if I search for this one right here, then I'm gonna simply see some keywords, some videos about that particular stuff. Okay, you can see right here, these are some videos under that. Okay, if you search for this and you find out that people are making videos recently about that, then you know that that particular stuff is actually trending at the moment. Okay, you can see right here, 1 day ago, you can see 3 days ago. We didn't see last year, we didn't see last 2 years. All we are seeing right here are just basically recent update about that stuff. Okay, that's number 1 way of actually making your research and picking the keyword you want to go with. Okay, another tool is what I call vidIQ. Okay, and this is a website, and also they have a mobile app that you can actually use to make some keyword research to know the ones with lower competition and the ones with higher competition, the search volumes and all of that. Okay, for instance, if I go to my mobile phone, you can actually use your mobile phone. Remember, I told you most of the things we're going to be doing here are basically going to be working for you on your mobile phone. All right, so if I go to my mobile phone, you're going to show right here, this is vidIQ. I have the vidIQ app on my mobile phone. Okay, so if I click on that, then this is going to simply open, and from this very section now, you can make some keyword research. Okay, so remember, we searched for OpenClaw right here. I can actually decide to use vidIQ to actually validate this topic. Okay, so for instance, if I click on this keyword section here, you can see this is the application. You have the generate section, you have the optimize section, the keyword section, and ideas. Okay, but the ones I recommend you go for is the keyword section. If you click on that and type in whatever topic you feel like typing, if you find out that something is trending on YouTube and you want to know the competition and also the volume, you have to simply come over to this very application or you use the extension. Okay, but because most of you that are watching this video right now are not basically using desktop, you're using your mobile phone, that's why we're using mobile phone for this tutorial. All right, so if you come over to this section and type in OpenClaw, right, if you type in that, you're going to see the same stuff, the same recommendations and also suggestions from YouTube tab is what we are getting here. Okay, so this particular application is correct, but this is the use cases we search for on YouTube. So if I click on these use cases here, you're going to show right here, you can see the overall score, the competition, you can see the search volume. This is what we call search volume. This is the search volume here. All right, so the search volume is the number of people that are searching for it. The reason why it is like this is because more people are searching for it, and the competition level says low. All right, so you can see we've already gotten one particular keyword we can actually make videos about. Okay, so if this particular keyword falls under your niche, then you can go with it. Okay, so remember in our last video, which is the day 2, I told you we've already picked our own niche, and our own niche is AI tech tutorial. Okay, and this is related to what we are talking about. Okay, so if you see the color is green, then you know that the keyword is actually ranking and it's on low competition. That is how you can actually use this tool to make your keyword research. And another tool you can actually use right now is TubeBuddy. All right, so this also has a mobile app and also a browser tab or Chrome extension. Okay, so this is it right here. It also has a Chrome extension, and for you to see it on your mobile app, you have to simply go to your Play Store or your App Store. And another one you can actually use is Google Trend or ChatGPT. Okay, so if you go to Google Trend, and you can actually click on this trending now to know if this is actually true that is trending. All right, then select United States. You select I'm going to select past 7 days. Okay, and also you select active trend. All right, not the ones that have already died off. Then for relevance, you have to simply leave it like this. Then I have to simply go to category. Remember, we have already selected our niche. Okay, then I want to simply select tech. Okay, so let's say tech. So you can see tech, under tech, that particular stuff is also trending from this very section. Okay, so if you go back to this very section and click on this, remove this active trend, then you're going to see other stuff that are also trending. Okay, you can see Notepad is trending, Gemini, Adobe Anime. So that's basically how you can actually make your own keyword research. Okay, let's say we want to go with OpenClaw use cases, we want to make videos about it. Okay, so the step 2 of this very section, pick our first topic and make our video. Okay, I think we can actually go with this. We have to simply look out for what this OpenClaw is all about and press this. Then I'm going to simply access that particular OpenClaw to know what it is. If you open the platform, you have to simply study it and know what it is about. Okay, so that when you start generating, you know what you have to simply add because of your own research and all of that. Okay, so if I open this right now, this is what you're going to simply show me. Let's open it. So we have a lot of stuff right here. It works for everything: WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, iMessage, iCloud, and a lot more. Okay, so mainly looking at this particular website, you know that you have to install it on your desktop for you to actually start using it. It is not a web app, okay, where you can actually sign up and start using. You can actually install it on your desktop, and for me, I don't want to actually install this on my desktop for now, but I'm going to simply make a video about its use cases, how you can actually use it and all of that. Okay, so I'm going to simply be making that video here. So once you pick your topic, just copy it, then add your topic right here. This is going to simply be our topic: OpenClaw use cases, full review. Okay, 2026, let's say 2026. All right, so remember the main keyword here is this, but this is also a keyword. People are going to be searching for this as well. Okay, so the step 3, we're going to simply write our viral script, okay, using this particular prompt which I'm going to be showing you. Okay, but before you type your prompt, the next thing you have to do right now is simply go to Cloudy AI. Once you log into Cloudy AI, you have to simply copy this particular prompt. So this is the prompt right here. So if you need the prompt, just let me know in the comment section, then I'm going to simply send it to you. All right, so this is the prompt right here. Or you join us on a Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel. Okay, so come over to this very session, just copy this prompt just like this. Once you have this prompt, copy it, then go to Cloudy AI, paste this prompt here. Okay, so once you paste it, you can see right here this section that says paste your video title here. So this is the video title. Okay, then this is the video title, paste it here. So let's actually copy this .ai. Okay, we have .ai there. Okay, then you send it. This is the prompt. These are the core requirements. Okay, we have example of what to avoid and example of what to include in this prompt. We have output format, technical requirement, which is designed for screen recording. You can see right here, screen recording plus voiceover. All right, so that is what we want, so that it can actually give us what we want. Okay, so this is going to simply work for every niche. Okay, so if your own is not screen recording, you can actually edit this and add your own type of video right here. Okay, and also click on this send button. So this is title analysis. You can see right here we have the main topic, we have the promise, we have the targeted audience, and also the pinpoint. We have the 3 title. We have 3 title, 3 different titles that are giving us. Okay, so which means we can actually use this title it gave us as our own video title. Okay, you can see the full video script here. Copy everything the way it is from here, click on copy. All right, so the next thing you have to do now is to actually turn this to an audio. Right, you have to turn it to an audio. We're going to be using the free tools. You can use it for free. You can create an account on this very platform. This is app.clipchamp.com. Then click on this text to speech. Okay, then scroll down a little bit on this very section that says text to speech. Just click on it again, then paste and click on preview audio. So you can show it has already generated the preview. you have to make sure you save it first before exporting it. Okay, just click on this save button. So it has been saved already, and you click on this export button, then click on this 480p. Okay, so remember you're exporting this as a video, not actually as an audio. Okay, so you click on this, it is saved on our device. Okay, so this is where we are. Go to download, and we should see it here. You can see it, right? The step 4 is to actually start recording your videos. So first of all, if you're on mobile, you can actually use this very one right, X Recorder. It's on your Play Store. This is the app right here. You can use it to record on your mobile phone if you don't want to use laptop. Okay, but if you're using laptop, you can use OBS, you can use Camtasia, you can use any other platform to record. Okay, so these are the platforms I use. Okay, so the one I'm using currently is OBS Studio, right? So this is the software right here. You can see how I set up everything. You can see my stuff right here. So for you to install it, just go to your browser and search for OBS Studio. Here, go to this video platform. This is the website, and you click on this download button and then download it on your desktop. Okay, I'm just gonna be making this short because I don't want the video to be a long one. All right, but I'm gonna be showing you the strategies on how you can actually record your desktop screen and also your phone screen. Okay, for you to start recording your phone screen first, you have to make sure you use 2 different devices. For instance, if you have 2 different mobile, or you have one mobile, you can actually use an application. You can use VLC to play the audio. The audio will be playing at the background, then you use your mobile phone to record. Okay, to record whatever thing the audio is doing. Okay, I want to play it. You can see we are on the mobile phone right now. Okay, and we have the application installed. Okay, so remember I told you can actually use your mobile phone and it will be like a desktop screen. Okay, so all you need to do right now is to actually open your browser, open that X Recorder. This is the X Recorder right here. Then you have to simply click on the start recording. Okay, so you're gonna simply start seeing my screen right now. Okay, for you to have that desktop kind of vibe, you have to add mouse to it. Okay, this is the cord I use. You can see this is the mouse cord right here. You can see the cord I use. I have to plug it to my charging port. So once I plug it there, you're gonna see right here the mouse will start showing on this mobile phone. So you can see the mouse is here now. You can see the mouse is here now. So it will just be showing as a laptop. Okay, so what I have to do is actually, when I'm editing it, I'll cut out every part that will look like mobile phone. Okay, like this header section that shows my battery percent and this very section right here. Okay, I'm going to simply cut them out. Okay, so which I'm going to be showing you day 4 of this very challenge. When I play the audio from here, I'll start listening to it and use my mobile phone to do whatever thing the audio asks me to do. If the audio says click on register, I will click on register. If the audio say add your email, I will add my email, so that when I'm editing it, it will be easier for me to actually merge the voice and the phone screen. Okay, this is going to simply be easier for you because you are listening to the voice and also you are actually doing what the voice asks you to do right here. Okay, if you don't have mouse, you are still good. All you need to do is simply use this point right here, this pointer right here, to actually make sure that your audience sees what you're doing. Okay, for instance, if you want to pause something, you can actually click on this and you point it where you want it to point. Okay, so this is basically how to record your phone screen. Okay, after everything, you have to simply click on the stop button. Click on this stop button. So for you to actually record your laptop screen, make sure you remove this face. You're not going to be adding your own face, so I'm going to simply remove it from here. So if you click on this is going to simply remove the face. Okay, then I'm going to simply start recording from here. Remember, this is also recording my own video. I'm also recording another video right now. Okay, so I'm going to simply start right now. The only audio that should be in the video is the audio from this very platform. So let's play.
I just discovered an AI agent platform that automates tasks I've been doing manually for hours every week, and most people have no idea it exists yet. If you're tired of...
Okay, you can see right here I am listening to the audio and I'm doing exactly what the audio is doing. Okay, so forget about this, is just the skeleton of the video. So when you are editing, all of those empty parts, you're gonna simply be covering them with overlays. Okay, so overlays will make the video interesting and also more engaging. So the day 4 of this very challenge, I'm gonna be showing you my final video, the full video, which I've already gotten, because I don't want this video to be a long one. I just want you to get the ideas and also be able to do things for you, because my niche might not be your own niche. Okay, and I'm also going to be showing you the final result, and also I'm going to be showing you how you can actually upload it, how you can check policy violation. So if I were you, I will not miss out on the day 4 of this very challenge, where I'm going to be breaking things down in more detailed steps. Right, so see you in the next video.